And feel this torque. Wow.
So, Mikkey, I've heard that you have a license to drive a truck.
Yeah, I sure do. There it is.
1981. Ooh.
Hi, I'm Mikkey Dee, a rock drummer and a motor fanatic.
And my name is Tatu. I coach professional drivers, and this here is Volvo FH Electric. Here we have FH Electric.
It looks fantastic. Can we take it for a run?
Absolutely. Driving of these trucks is just fun. The drivetrain is really responsive, and what you do with your pedals as you drive when you press the accelerator is really seamless power to the wheels, and it's something that if you get taste of that you don't want to go back. It's really good stuff.
Pedal to the metal.
Let it go.
Okay, here we go. Acceleration is fantastic here.
And we can quite nicely talk in here as well. The main benefit for drivers driving Volvo FH Electric, I would say that it's the silence. That's the biggest thing. You drive your long day and you can drive in complete silence, and that's a complete new thing in trucking business.
In my world, it's so noisy all day long. I mean, I can imagine jumping into this truck and just listening to the wind.
This thing can get pretty loud too. Check this out.
You know what, Tato? Let's just enjoy a quiet moment, huh?